This video highlights the powerful capabilities of FabSoft DeskConnect, showing how it provides seamless automation for your document processing by effortlessly extracting data from your documents and transferring it to your preferred destinations using DeskConnect in a Power Apps flow, whether it's a spreadsheet, email, SharePoint, or other platforms. With FabSoft DeskConnect, you can save time, reduce errors, and streamline your workflow with intelligent automation. For this demonstration, we'll show you how to process and extract data from multiple documents, such as utility bills, and transfer them seamlessly into an Excel spreadsheet table using DeskConnect in a Power Apps flow. To process the documents, we'll use a monitored watch folder. The first time we process a document, we'll need to go to DeskConnect to configure a workflow using Microsoft Power Apps to send the data to an Excel spreadsheet. When configuring the workflow properties, we'll leverage AI to automatically detect the data on the document and create the fields for the workflow. Next, I'll create a Power Apps flow that will receive a trigger from DeskConnect called when a HTTP request is received. The flow has fields corresponding to the data we saw earlier, such as amount due and customer address. Next, we'll copy the destination URL from Power Apps for our DeskConnect workflow. Then back in the DeskConnect workflow properties, we can go to the destination URL field and paste the URL from the Power Apps flow. Once everything is set up, click Finish to complete the workflow. Now DeskConnect is able to extract the data from the document, send it through the Power Apps flow, and the data will be automatically added to the Excel spreadsheet. The AI in DeskConnect is even smart enough to be able to find the data on various different formats. For example, here are two utility bills with different formats that have the same data that needs to be captured. The first bill is from a utility company that was copied smaller into a shorter page. The second bill is from a different vendor with a completely different format. DeskConnect's AI is able to determine which fields of data are the same in the bills, such as the amount due on the first bill and total new charges on the second bill. Here you'll see DeskConnect seamlessly process both of these bills with diverse formats in seconds. As you can see, the data here in row 4 of the spreadsheet is the same as the data in the utility bill. Now that your workflow is configured in DeskConnect, you can process many different documents and effortlessly add the relevant data you need to your spreadsheet. With DeskConnect, your document processing is now automated and will support continuous data uploading from organizational devices like copiers, scanners, and desktop applications. You can scan in any bills you receive in the mail, drop attachments from emails into your monitored watch folder, or you can just click the DeskConnect browser extension when viewing a bill on a website. With DeskConnect, you can effortlessly consolidate data from multiple documents into a single Excel table, streamlining organization and enhancing your analysis. Contact FabSoft today to boost your efficiency and make data-driven decisions faster.